Welcome to the video today, guys. I am super duper excited to be showing this because on this video here I'm going to show you how you can make some big money, right? And just stay tuned because you really don't wanna miss this out. On this video I'm gonna show you how you can make up to 150,000 in rands. I don't know how much that is in dollars. Let's find out. This is gonna be a big change. So it means that if you are maybe in the US or you're using the dollar currency, it means that you can earn up to $10,000 from this method that I'm gonna show you, and you really don't want to miss this out. Definitely, right? So what are we looking at here? This is the name of this website that we're looking at here. It's Lulaland, and you might be asking yourself, why are we on the side that is about funding? So for those that don't know, Lulaland is a platform that gives businesses funding. For businesses that are looking for funding, they can come here on Lulaland and apply and get funding. And look, I am in the digital space, and I know that there are a lot of businesses, especially in South Africa, and I know it's the same in other countries. Look, every day a new business registers, right? And whenever a new business registers, they will want funding, right? So there are a lot of businesses every day that are looking for funding, are looking for business funding. And this platforms here, it funds businesses from 10,000 to 5 million rands, right? That's how much it can fund a business. And now, how do you fit in here? Of course, as yourself, someone who's looking to make an extra money, I'm going to show you how you can do this, right? Of course, this platform here, they've got, this is what you're looking for, right? They've got an affiliate, right? So what you need to do, obviously, on this platform, what you're going to do, right? You're going to come here on affiliates, obviously, and here I've already signed up, right? Now, once you add here, once you click on affiliate, it's going to take you to a page where you want to sign up as an affiliate. And now, once you sign up here, it's going to look like something like this. As you can see here, I've logged in. It says my profile there, and here it shows that you earn 30%. So every person that you're gonna refer, you're gonna get 30% of that. So what does that mean? It means that if someone is using your link to apply funding, and let us maybe they're looking for 300,000 funding or 5 million funding, then you're gonna get 3% of that, right? Now let me show you. Let's just say you referred someone and they're looking for 5 million, right? Just say them 5 million funding, and I'm gonna show you how much you can get from this. I mean, look at this, 150,000 in rands, which is like $10,000. I mean, it's a lot from just one person. So imagine if you were getting 5 of those people in a month. I mean, look at this. So you have a potential of making even more. That 150,000 rands, which is $10 or more, is just from one affiliate. It's just from one person, one business that are going to be, looking for funding of 5 million. Imagine if you get maybe 3 businesses that are looking for funding of 3 million, and how much you're going to get from that. Look. So the more people who drive to your link is the more you're gonna make. And you might be asking yourself, how are you gonna get people? How are you gonna get businesses that are looking for funding? Well, if you haven't checked my video on how you can run a lead gen campaign on Facebook, it's super affordable. You can get 1 person driving person by just at a very affordable price. So if you have money, you can run a Facebook ad, you can run Google ad. But then of course, if you don't have money, or you have money and you don't want to do this using money, you can always, if you have like a blog or a website, you can they have banners that you can put on your website, or you can even use a direct link. If you have someone that you know that got a business and they would be looking for funding, you can send them the link directly, right? There are many ways on how you can get someone to get funding. And look at this on the profit side, you also want to be helping someone. I mean, how many businesses are out there, they are looking for funding but they don't have information? So while you help someone to get funding, you're also gonna be getting commission out of this. So how good is that? One thing though that you need to know, this platform here, you can use it from anywhere in the world, but people that are gonna be looking for funding, or people that you're gonna be referring, they need to be from South Africa. So you can sign up from India, right? But you need to try South African traffic. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of today. If you want to sign up as an affiliate from Lulalend, simply go to lulalend.co.za, right? I'm also going to drop a link which is not an affiliate in my description. You can sign up from it. I'm not going to get anything from it, so rest assured you can sign up if you want to get